Instagram, how to add highlights. If you want to add highlights on Instagram, it's fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is make sure to basically launch the Instagram application and come to our profile page. First of all, let's discuss what a highlight is. Highlights on Instagram refers to a collection of some of your past stories and that you want users to see next time even after they have expired. So to create a new highlight or to add it, I can tap the plus icon over here and you can see all of my previous stories. I can simply check the stories by creating a category and I can tap the next option. I can simply give this highlight a name. Other than that, I can also tap on edit cover and I can choose to add a highlight photo from my gallery. It could be an icon or anything else, or I can choose one of the frame from my stories. Then I can tap the done button to create a highlight. Once I've created the highlight, in the future, let's say I want to edit that highlight, I want to add or remove stories. For that, I will long press on the certain highlight that I've created and I can tap on edit highlights. When I do that, of course, I can simply uncheck all of this that I want to remove and I can go to stories and I can add a newer stories within that highlights. And this way I can add highlights on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.